Tiny house kits are fantastic for anyone who wants to live off the grid. They provide a practical and simple answer for people looking to live a minimal and sustainable lifestyle. These kits make it simple and hassle-free to construct your own cozy small home because they include everything you need. And if you're looking for a smart and simple approach to embrace off-grid living with tiny house kits, then stay tuned till the end of the video as we're going to show you 5 tiny house kits which are amazing. Number 5. Off-grid Ecocapsule tiny house. Emerging from the depths of imagination and propelled by a genuine commitment to self-sustainability and eco-friendliness, the visionary architects behind the Ecocapsule embarked on a remarkable journey. Hailing from the picturesque land of Slovakia, this team ingeniously conceptualized a fully off-grid tiny house in the captivating form of an egg. Imagine yourself seamlessly integrated into an eco-friendly lifestyle where the sun's rays convert into clean electricity. A gracefully spinning wind turbine whispers tales of renewable energy, and a robust battery system stands ready to power your desires. Having said that, let us introduce to you the remarkable original model, spanning a compact yet efficient 88.3 square feet, meticulously crafted to cater to the needs of one of 2 individuals. Embrace its versatility as a charming dwelling, an idyllic retreat, or even as an ingenious scientific research station tailored to suit your desires. Further, Ecocapsule has astounded the world once again with the unveiling of their latest innovation, the extra tiny space model, encompassing a snug 68 square feet. This option is perfectly suited to fulfill the demands of a home office, fostering productivity and creative inspiration, or serving as an ideal companion for your entrepreneurial ventures on the move. Number 4. Off-grid little house of Thoreau. When in search of an off-grid tiny house, one cannot help but appreciate the timeless allure of a classically rustic aesthetic. However, envision a dwelling that transcends the conventional notion of a fixed cabin nestled in the woods. The Thoreau, a remarkable 28-foot tiny house on wheels, draws its inspiration from the principles of a renowned advocate of simple living, Henry David Thoreau. Crafted with meticulous care by the skilled team at Indigo River Tiny Homes, this dwelling is designed to embrace an entirely self-sufficient lifestyle. Indigo River Tiny Homes have truly excelled in their endeavor to create a dwelling that embodies the spirit of self-reliance and harmonious coexistence with nature. Every inch of this tiny house has been meticulously planned and expertly executed, ensuring that no space is wasted and every element serves a purpose. Thoreau's interior exudes a sense of warmth and comfort, carefully curated to provide a cozy living environment without compromising on modern conveniences. It seamlessly integrates solar power, rainwater harvesting, and advanced waste management to minimize its environmental footprint while maximizing its self-sufficiency. The roof of the tiny house proudly hosts 9 strategically positioned solar panels, harnessing the sun's energy with efficiency and elegance. Complementing this eco-friendly setup, an exterior storage compartment is intelligently designed to house the solar power system's 4 lithium batteries and inverters, ensuring a tidy and seamless integration. Remarkably, this solar power system is capable of sustaining the entire off-grid tiny house for an impressive span of 3 to 4 days, even in the absence of sunlight. Such resilience showcases the remarkable power, storage, and efficiency of the system, granting peace of mind and uninterrupted functionality. Furthermore, an additional exterior storage shed serves as a practical haven for essential utilities. Within its walls, 2 20-pound propane tanks, a propane tankless water heater, a generous 50-gallon water tank, and a dependable filtration system coexist harmoniously. Together, these elements provide an all-encompassing solution for comfortable living. In perfect synergy with nature, the tiny house boasts a 250-gallon rainwater collection barrel, which seamlessly connects to the aforementioned storage shed. This sustainable water source offers an eco-conscious alternative, promoting responsible water usage and reducing reliance on external supplies. Inside, a thoughtfully designed layout offers ample space for a growing family, along with the flexibility to accommodate guests. The downstairs bedroom boasts a coveted king-size bed, providing a luxurious retreat. Furthermore, a cleverly designed pop-up mechanism effortlessly reveals a generous storage compartment, allowing for easy organization and optimization of space. Number 3. Introducing Yurt Cabin Freedom. Embracing the captivating allure of circular design, Freedom Yurt Cabins seamlessly integrates the robustness of a conventional cabin and the long-lasting resilience of engineered LP smart side panels, all while exuding the timeless appeal of a fabric yurt. Let us tell you that there is an undeniable allure in inhabiting a rounded living space, creating a comforting ambience that is truly unparalleled. They can captivate you with their unparalleled integrated base or floor system, rendering the necessity of a permanent cement foundation obsolete. Say farewell to convention and embrace the avant-garde design of Freedom Yurt Cabins, boasting a remarkable combination of high insulation value and a sleek, space-efficient round structure. The marvel doesn't end there. Think about the cozy ambience of this abode, effortlessly warmed by a humble wood stove or a similarly modest heater. Efficiency and comfort intertwined, a testament to the ingenuity and the pursuit of eco-friendly living. Experience the convenience and versatility of the meticulously designed Yurt cabin kits, available in a range of sizes spanning from 217 to 490 square feet. Number 2. Offgrid Tiny House of McKenzie. Is adventure not beckoning you with its irresistible allure? If you find yourself longing for thrilling escapades, then prepare to be captivated by the exquisite masterpiece known as the McKenzie. Crafted with utmost care and ingenuity by the skilled artisans at Wood Iron Tiny Homes in the scenic landscapes of Oregon, this remarkable creation is explicitly designed to cater to the wanderlust in your soul. Every aspect of the McKenzie has been meticulously tailored to enhance your off-grid travel adventures. Stepping inside, you'll find a harmonious blend of rustic charm and modern comforts. The interior space is thoughtfully optimized, offering a cozy sanctuary that embraces you with warmth and tranquility. Natural light dances through strategically placed windows, illuminating the elegant furnishings and creating an ambience that effortlessly merges relaxation with a sense of boundless freedom. Nestled within this haven are the invaluable companions of adventure, the portable solar panels, quietly harnessing the sun's energy, ready to power up your journey. Alongside them, 2 deep cell batteries stand ever vigilant, eagerly awaiting their call to action. But that's not all. Step outside and you'll discover another secret chamber of utility. Behold the exterior utility closet, housing 2 robust 20-pound propane tanks, guardians of warmth and sustenance. Beside them, a 28-gallon freshwater tank, a lifeline of liquid gold, awaits your thirst-quenching needs. Its sleek metal roof, elegantly curved to enhance aerodynamics, sets the stage for an exhilarating journey. But it's not just about style. This marvel boasts an expansive outdoor gear storage compartment that's practically tailor-made for all your adventure essentials, be it climbing gear, snowboards, hiking equipment, or fishing tackle. And last but not least, number 1, Tiny House of Greenmoxie. Have you ever pondered the concept of an autonomous and self-sufficient mobile stronghold? Discover a secluded spot to temporarily settle, be it for a solitary evening or an extended duration. In an instant, a marvel of minimalist design, ecological consciousness, and self-sufficiency unfolds before you, a sophisticated and compact dwelling that is both aesthetically refined and environmentally responsible. The Greenmoxie exudes a captivating ambience, seamlessly blending the crispness of white walls with the allure of dark-stained reclaimed barnwood accents. Bathed in an abundance of natural light, courtesy of a magnificent skylight and numerous expansive windows gracing either side of this compact abode, it effortlessly invites the outside world to intertwine with its interior. The exceptional off-grid capability of this compact house truly emphasizes its sustainability. One notable feature is the inclusion of a rain barrel equipped with its first flush roof water recovery system. This innovative system effectively diverts pollutants from the initial flow of rainwater, ensuring that they don't contaminate the storage tank. To guarantee the utmost purity, the house is equipped with an advanced filtration system that cleans the water stored in a 200-liter onboard tank. In addition, they have implemented an expansive solar power panel system, featuring a tailored racking solution to optimize its efficiency. And that's all for now. Thank you for joining us today. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights and inspiration for your home project. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more exciting content, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest videos. Feel free to leave any questions or comments in the comments section below. We love hearing from you. Thank you again for watching, and we wish you the best of luck with your tiny home project. Happy building!